Nightingale Tattoo Supply was born out of necessity, really. Working in a busy street shop, you use your supplies faster than expected. It's Saturday night, you have a couple more tattoos on the books, and you need an important piece of equipment or a supply to do the job, having no place to get it. I think that's crazy. The whole idea that I'm trying to do is I'm trying to support the tattoo community, independent builders and entrepreneurs. The next great machine that the industry has to offer was made by a tattoo artist or somebody that had been in the industry for a long time and had some skin in the game. It wasn't made by some technical designer or somebody with no tattoo experience. The best equipment comes from people having been in the industry for a long time. The other thing I want to push more than machines are aftercare ointments and new work aprons, and there's all kinds of new items that are made by people in the industry for people in the industry, and I want to help get those products from the independent builders and manufacturers into the hands of the artists and the people getting tattoos. If you take your average city the size of Houston or Dallas, you have over 200 shops. That's a lot of shops. It's a lot of hardworking tattooers. And it seems crazy to me that we're still stuck in a system where we're ordering supplies. It's taking 2, 3, sometimes 4 days to show up at your shop after ordering. A lot of times you show up and the UPS guy was early and you weren't able to get your package. It's delayed another day. All these things are really inconvenient. The goal of Nightingale Tattoo is to get you your supplies when you need them. When I run out of something, I don't need it tomorrow or in 4 days, I need it today. So when we have the opportunity, we're gonna try to fill that gap in between needing and having your supplies. The tattoo industry has changed a lot in that it's not a one-size-fits-all demand for tattoo supplies. There's a lot of fine artists and just real art-driven subject matter that's going into tattooing now. And you need somebody that can give you the supplies to meet that demand. Power supplies and needles, and the machines you're using to apply the tattoo are more advanced and they've been dialed in. Having a place to have access to these supplies is important. If you have a product, you're a machine builder, or you make aprons or some sort of new tattoo cream, aftercare, feel free to reach out to us at info@nightingaletattoosupply.com.